Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Masterworks app for art investing, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your device's App Store. For iOS users, this is the Apple App Store. For Android users, it is the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Masterworks. Tap on the search icon. Look for the app titled Masterworks Art Investing. Verify that the app is from masterworks.io. For iOS, tap Get to begin the download. For Android, tap Install. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the Masterworks icon on your home screen. Tap the Masterworks icon to open the app. You may need to allow permissions for notifications and location services. On the welcome screen, you'll see an option to create an account. Tap Sign Up to start the registration process. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Accept the terms and conditions by checking the box. Once you have filled everything out, tap Create Account. You might receive a verification email. Open your email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the Masterworks app and log in with your credentials. Explore the app's features and start your art investing journey. Follow any prompts for setting up your profile for a personalized experience. That concludes the download and setup process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.